Join me as I dive into the latest living room decorating ideas for 2025 to completely transform any space with what's trending right now. When it comes to creating a stylish and comfortable living room, it's essential to stay on top of modern decorating ideas. Not only does it make your space look amazing, but it also reflects your personal style and makes you feel cozy and relaxed. Choosing the right decor can be overwhelming, especially when you're trying to balance current trends with your own unique taste. You want your living room to feel like you, but you also want it to look like it belongs in a design magazine. It's a delicate balance, and it's easy to get stuck in a design rut. Many of us struggle to figure out what's worth investing in and what's just a fleeting trend. We worry that if we make the wrong choice, our living room will look dated in just a few months. But the truth is, the most stylish spaces are the ones that take risks and try new things. One of the biggest mistakes we make is playing it too safe. We stick to the same old patterns and colors because they're comfortable and familiar. But the problem is, they're also boring. And who wants a boring living room? It's time to shake things up and try something new. Whether it's a bold color palette or an unexpected furniture choice, taking risks is what makes a space truly unforgettable. We've all been there, scrolling through social media, seeing those perfect Pinterest-worthy living rooms, and wondering how we can recreate that look in our own homes. But the truth is, the most stylish spaces are the ones that are curated over time, with a mix of old and new, high and low. It's not about buying everything at once. It's about slowly building a space that reflects your personality and style. This year, we're seeing some incredible decorating ideas that will take your living room to the next level. From bold color palettes to innovative furniture designs, there are so many ways to give your space a fresh new look. One of the biggest trends right now is all about sustainability. We're seeing a huge shift towards eco-friendly materials, repurposed furniture, and energy-efficient decor. It's an amazing way to not only make a statement, but also reduce your carbon footprint. Another trend that's really catching on is multifunctional furniture. Gone are the days of bulky, single-purpose pieces. Today, it's all about investing in furniture that does double duty. Think storage coffee tables, desks with built-in shelving, and sofas with hidden compartments. Not only does it make your space more efficient, but it also adds an extra layer of functionality. We're also seeing a huge focus on bringing the outdoors in. From lush green walls to statement plants, nature-inspired decor is everywhere this year. And it's not just about aesthetics. It's also about improving air quality and creating a sense of calm. Plus, it's an easy way to add some visual interest to your space without breaking the bank. Of course, one of the most exciting trends this year is the resurgence of bold, bright colors. We're seeing everything from vibrant sofas to statement walls, and it's a game changer for adding some personality to your space. The key is to balance bold hues with neutral accents to avoid overwhelming the senses. So, what's the takeaway from all of this? The most important thing is to have fun and be fearless when it comes to decorating your living room. Don't be afraid to try new things, take risks, and make mistakes. Because at the end of the day, it's your space, and it should reflect your unique style and personality. Thanks so much for joining me on this journey into the latest living room decorating ideas for 2025. I hope you found some inspiration to completely transform your space and make it feel truly yours. If you have any thoughts on the trends I discussed, be sure to leave them in the comments below. And if you're looking for more decorating inspiration, be sure to check out my other videos. Happy decorating!